Welcome to XRP Fan Channel. Fed's key inflation measure released. BTC, XRP, DOGE remain in red. 423 million sell-off on crypto market as latest U.S. inflation data comes in hotter than expected. The Federal Reserve's key inflation measure came in hotter than expected in February, according to data released on Friday. The Core Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) price index, a key inflation measure closely watched. As we begin our news on XRP, please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next XRP Ripple news. By the Federal Reserve rose 0.4% in February, the biggest monthly gain since January 2024, putting the 12-month inflation rate at 2.8%. Both came in higher than anticipated, as the Dow Jones surveyed economists, who expected numbers of 0.3% and 2.7%, respectively. The PCE index measures inflation or deflation across a broad range of consumer expenditures and reflects changes in consumer behavior. The PCE, which is released monthly, is considered to impact Federal Reserve interest rate decisions. High PCE numbers indicate rising inflation, which may drive rate hikes to chill the economy, reducing risk appetite and pushing Bitcoin prices lower as investors flee risk on assets. Bitcoin, alongside major cryptocurrencies XRP and Dogecoin, were trading in losses at press time. The crypto market's downturn coincides with larger financial market concerns that higher than expected inflation may result in the Fed maintaining high interest rates for an extended period, potentially lowering liquidity and risk appetite. After dropping rates by a full percentage point in 2024, the central bank has remained on hold this year, citing concerns about economic uncertainty. Crypto market faces 423 million bloodbath. Bitcoin is currently down 3.5% in the last 24 hours to 84,357, extending its daily drop. Bitcoin's reaction is tied to how the data shapes Fed expectations. Volatility often follows as traders adjust positions. The majority of crypto assets suffered larger losses, influenced by profit-taking following a rally earlier in the week. Ethereum suffered higher losses, falling 6.46% in the last 24 hours to 1,892. XRP, Solana and Dogecoin fell roughly 7% in the same period. Chainlink and Avalanche dropped as much as 9%, while Cardano and Stellar were down more than 5%. In the last 24 hours, cryptocurrency derivatives traders have seen over 423 million in liquidations as digital asset prices fell. The majority of the bets wiped out, valued at over 367 million, were leveraged longs, or traders who wagered that prices would climb, according to CoinGlass data. Thanks for watching. See you in the next crypto news. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.